What's the meaning of Benedictine? Benedictine. Benedictine.
Benedictine. Benedictine. The term Benedictine refers to a religious order of the Catholic Church that originated in Italy in the 6th century. The order was founded by Saint Benedict of Nursia, who established a set of rules and principles that emphasized humility, obedience, and prayer. Benedictine monks and nuns live in monastic communities, dedicating their lives to serving God and living according to the teachings of Saint Benedict. The order has played a significant role in the history of the Catholic Church and has had a profound impact on Western civilization. Today, Benedictine monasteries can be found in many countries around the world.